Number 1. Cinematography, Theory and Practice, Image Making for Cinematographers and Directors by Blaine Brown. There is more to being a DOP than holding a light meter. With this book as your guide, you are on your way to learning, not only about equipment and technology, but also about concepts and through processes that will enable you to shoot professionally, efficiently, and with artistic mastery. This book is not just a comprehensive guide to current professional practice. It goes beyond to explain the theory behind the practice, so you understand how the rules came about and when it's appropriate to break them. Number 2. Master shots. It gives filmmakers the techniques they need to execute complex shots. By using powerful master shots and well-executed moves, you can develop a strong style and stand out from the crowd. Most low-budget films look low-budget because the director is forced to compromise at the last minute. Master shots give you so many powerful techniques that you will be able to respond even under pressure and create amazing shots. The techniques in this book can help your film and make every shot look like it costs a fortune. Every technique is illustrated with samples from great feature films. Number 3. Screenplay, The Foundations of Screenwriting by Sid Field. A generation of screenwriters has used Sid Field's books to ignite successful careers in film. This is a classic guide for a new generation of filmmakers, offering a fresh insider's perspective on the film industry today. From concept to character, from opening a scene to finished script, here are easily understood guidelines to help aspiring screenwriters. From novices to practiced writers, Screenplay presents a step-by-step, comprehensive technique for writing the screenplay that will succeed in Hollywood. Number 4. The Filmmaker's Eye, The Language of the Lens, The Power of Lenses and Expressive Cinematic Image. This book is all about the inner workings of basic shots that create the cinematic experience and how visuals communicate to the audience. A perfect read for filmmakers of all levels. This book is a great aid in helping you understand shot types, why they work, and the visual rules of filmmaking. Number 5. Film directing shot by shot, visualizing from concept to screen. An absolute must for filmmakers, it is instructive on what to expect from your cinematographer and determining if your director understands the screenplay the way the writer wrote it. All the emphasis is done with camera work. The director, if it's not you, must know where and how to place the emphasis. But you have to know also how else can you be critical of a shot or series of shots. This book is one of those I consider a foundation. If you don't gain at least a few insights from reading this book, I will be surprised.